Hello, my dear children. Today, let us learn a English lesson of Class 8, The Swan and the Princess. Once Devdutt shot a swan with an arrow. It fell on the ground near Siddhartha. It was bleeding. Siddhartha showed mercy and took the swan and nursed it. He refused to give it to Devdutt when he demanded. So Devdutt went to the king and complained against Siddhartha. When the play begins, we see King Shuddhodana, the king of Kapilavastu, having a conference with his ministers. A guard comes in and says that Devdatta, Siddhartha's cousin, wants to meet the king. The king permits him to come in. The chief minister wonders why Devdutt wants to meet the king. One of the ministers thinks that he is coming to complain against someone. Devdatta comes in and complains against Siddhartha, the prince of Kapilavastu, for not giving him his swan. The king asks him if Siddhartha had taken away his swan from him. Devdatta says that he had shot the swan and when it fell on the ground, Siddhartha had taken it. King Shuddhodana sent for Siddhartha. The third minister tells the fourth minister that Siddhartha would never do anything that is considered wrong. Siddhartha comes in with a white swan in his arms. He bows to the king. King Shuddhodana asks him if he has taken away Devdutt's swan. Siddhartha claims the swan was his. Devdatta says that he had shot it and it belongs to him. King asks Siddhartha why he is claiming the ownership of the swan. Siddhartha replies that he had saved its life. The king tries to convince Siddhartha that if a Kshatriya had shot something, he is the rightful owner of that. Siddhartha does not agree with him. He says that a Kshatriya cannot give up a suppliant who seeks his protection. The swan had come to him for protection and he would not let it go. Devdatta argues that it was injustice. The king was confused. He requests the chief minister to help him. The chief minister asks Siddhartha to put the swan on a stool. When he does so, the chief minister tells Devdatta to call the swan to come to him. Devdatta calls the swan to come, but the swan trembles and cries out with fear. The chief minister then asks Siddhartha to do the same. When Siddhartha calls the swan, it happily flies into his arms. The chief minister says that the swan itself has decided the case. King Shuddhodana agrees with him and declares that the swan belongs to Prince Siddhartha. Now we'll revise the question answers of the lesson. What was the complaint of Devdatta against Prince Siddhartha? Answer. Devdatta complained that Siddhartha had taken away his swan and was refusing to give it to him. Question number 2. Why did Siddhartha claim that the swan was his? Answer. Siddhartha claimed that the swan was his because he had saved it. Question 3. How did the bird react to Devdatta's call? It was frightened, it trembled and cried with fear. Question 4. What did Siddhartha say to the swan? What did the bird do? Answer. Siddhartha went near the swan. He asked the bird to sit on his arms and not to be afraid of him. The swan flew into Siddhartha's arms. Question 5. What made Devdatta and Siddhartha approach the king? Answer. Devdatta and Siddhartha both wanted the swan. They were unable to decide, so they approached the king. Question 6. How did each of them defend their actions? Answer. Devdatta claimed that he had shot the bird so it belonged to him, and Siddhartha claimed it because he has saved and protected its life. Question 7. How did the chief minister resolve the dispute in the end? Answer. The chief minister thought a plan to resolve the dispute. He told Siddhartha to keep the swan on the stool. He directed Devdutt to call the bird. When Devdutt called the swan, the bird trembled and cried with fear. Then Devdutt came back. Next, Siddhartha called the bird lovingly. It came and sat on his arms. The swan itself decided the dispute. All agreed and were pleased. Thank you, children, for listening. I hope you understood the prose, the swan, and the princess. Please write the question answers in your English notebook and revise the lesson.